Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to remove empty rows in Excel. Okay, so if you are using Microsoft Excel and you want to remove empty rows like that, I have this row is empty. Okay, you will see this row is empty, this row is empty. So I only want to remove all these row which is empty. Okay, like this one, this one. So here are two or three methods by which you can easily remove all these rows. So first method is you have to just select all the content on the sheet. Okay, then here you will see find and select option, click on it, go to special and then click on blanks and click on OK. So all the blanks rows will be selected. Okay, but I don't want that these rows to be deleted. Oh, okay, because here you will see all the information and only this row is not have a information. Okay, so I don't want to delete these rows, but I want to delete this entire row. Okay, so this method will not work here. Okay, so what you have to do now, we will see a second method by which you can easily delete only the blank rows. Okay, this one and this one. Okay, this one. So how to do that? You have to just apply a filter. Okay, first you have to just content, select all the content. Okay, then here will sort and filter, click on filter. Okay, now what you have to do, I am going to select this one and deselect all, on blanks, apply. Okay, now what you have to do, now select all the row. Okay, now here we see delete sleep rows. Okay, now again just click on here and select all, click on apply filter. Okay, now you will see that these rows is not deleted and all the empty rows has been deleted. So like this you can delete empty rows in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.